today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook this delicious meal. This meal is typically a Caribbean meal. It's basically stew peas with chicken, and I'm having this with some rice, bit of salad, 2 pieces of plantain. Sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious dish. That dish is going to be stew peas, like the Jamaican stew peas, and it's going to be chicken cooked on with some red kidney beans and some other season. I will take it step by step and explain the season and how I'm going to do it. Sit back, relax, and do enjoy this video. Now on this side, I have a chicken, whole chicken, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this up and I'm going to take off. I don't want too much meat. I'm going to remove the breast off it. That's personal preference. Over here is a list of some of the ingredients. I'll be using some carrot, some red onion, garlic, and thyme. So what I'll be doing next is I'm going to cut the chicken and separate it and take out what I want and leave the bits I need to move forward. So this is the step I'm going to take because I'm going to remove the breast and I'm going to clean him up a bit. The next thing for me is, which is personal preference, I want the skin to come off this because I want to get the season in it properly. And ensure to trim up all these little fats on it. We're going to cut these off. Next thing, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to wash this off with some vinegar. If you notice something here, I leave most of the bones, part of the bones. That's what I want. I don't want whole heap of meat because that's what I'm going for. We're going to give them a good wash and then we're going to strain this off. Next, we're going to start seasoning this. So the star of the show is this Linden homemade all-purpose season. A teaspoon of that. Next up, some smoked paprika over this. Going to go in with a little bit of Himalaya salt. I'm going to marinate this. Next up, we're going to get some season on that. So I'm using mostly fresh ingredients in this. Next up, some garlic. Next up, my carrot. I'm gonna get this carrot cut up, and this is all for the meat. Next up, we have our meat. We're gonna put all our scallop seasoning on it. So that's how we're doing it, and we're gonna work him through. Very important. So after working through, we're going to get our pot. So the next part I'm going to show you now is how to start cooking him off, saute him off, catch a little bit of color, and your flavor all blend out together and combine together. So stay tuned. Here I have my pot, so I'm getting in this up to temperature. I'm going to put a bit of smoked paprika in this. Very important. If you've seen it start to smoke already because it's already have that color on it. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna start put our chicken straight in. Here I have a little bit of chili which I make up. Gonna put a little bit in because you don't want a lot of this, you know. This is some Scotch bonnet base. So about that, we'll take care of the spice in it. What I'm doing basically, you know, I'm just catching some color on the meat and kind of let it half cook through. So once your meat catch some color, now is the time we're going to put our vegetable. The vegetable that we cut up, we're going to put it straight in our meat now. So sit back, relax, stay tuned, and learn how to cook this delicious meal. I'm sure to put all of this in. Next thing I'm going to add to this is some kidney beans. Now, I don't have time to cook it, so if you know what you're doing, you will get this right, and it will taste lovely also. But if you have time to cook this, you know, you can go ahead and do so. Next ingredient, some coconut cream. Coconut milk, whatever you call it, is the same thing. What I'm going to do now, just going to pop the lid on it. So our stew peas is finished now, so I'm just going to plate it up and show you what it looked like. It's normal in the Caribbean to serve this with rice, so I'm just having a bowl of rice here with it. So we're going to put our stew peas here. As I said before, this is mostly bone because that's a part I prefer. It's all personal preference. So this, I'm just going to accompany this with a couple bits of rye plantain. And for personal choice, I'm just going to have just a little bit of salad on the side here with this. So if I can fit this just right here, that would be great. There you have it, guys. Stew peas with chicken. If you do find value in this content, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Do leave a positive comment.